I like my garden to look lush and full and thick like myself. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little project I want to get done. I've been wanting to do this project, but I've just been lazy putting it off and doing other things. So today I would like to paint my mailbox post and spray paint this metal area right here. It's a little bit worn now. The color is a little burnt out from the sun. And this post we put this post in about, I think, 2 years ago. Okay guys, so all I have right here, this is a little garden bed right underneath my mailbox. And what I'm planning on doing is just clean this out and leave the lamps area, which I transferred earlier this spring, like super early. And it was never this size. It just took off on its own. I might have to divide it one more time, but I love the look. I love the texture. I'm just gonna underplant maybe some super petunias to trail over the sidewalk. And I'm gonna plant some tall perennials in the back. And I'm probably gonna plant like some clematis to climb up over this mailbox, eventually cascading and looking real beautiful. So I'm gonna paint this post, spray paint the mailbox itself. I'm also gonna put some numbers, which I will blur that out or not show that in the video for privacy for myself and where I live and for safety reasons. Okay guys, so I cleaned out the bottom of the mailbox. I cleaned out all the weeds, and we have an issue. When we installed the mailbox, I totally forgot that they had poured concrete in the hole to keep it in. So now there's certain areas, especially on this side, I cannot dig too deep because the concrete is about maybe 3 inches underneath the soil. So I'm gonna have to add some more soil in here if I want to get some plants in, and then I'm gonna have to tear off the bottom of some of the plants to make sure they can fit. Yeah, I totally forgot. And also, while I was assessing my plants and assessing the area, I don't think I have enough plants, guys. I thought I did, but I don't, because once I clean this area out, I realized that it can take a good amount of plants, because I like my garden to look lush and full and thick like myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna need more plants. So I'm gonna use up what I have, and then I might have to continue this video later on or tomorrow. So let's see how far we get, and then we can go from there. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to paint the post because it's supposed to rain today. So I want to get it dry before the rain comes in the next 3 hours. So that should be good. And then I'm going to start working around the bottom. So the paint I'll be using is by Rust-Oleum Protective Enamel. It's oil-based. It has a little gloss to it. This is pretty good. It's leftover paint that I have. I didn't think I needed to buy any more paint because it's not that big of a project. Okay guys, so I did about 2.5 free coats on this, and it looked amazing. Look at it. These are the plants that I have and what I think I'm going to use. These right here are some sun patients that I never got around to use. Every time I say I'm going to use them, I never do. And then right here we have some phlox by Monrovia. They're called Sweet Summer Fantasy. Oh, I like the name, and I love the color. How gorgeous is that? I have 2 of those. And then I have this beautiful daylily. Look at the color. It's right up my alley. The peachy salmon apricot color. Apricot. Whatever you want to call it. I love this color, guys. And then I have 2 Super Tunia Vista bubblegum, Super Tunia Vista fuchsia that I'm going to tuck like, I'm going to tuck like right underneath this lamb's ear. I think it's going to look so amazing because the lamb's ear is green. It's just one solid color, and then the pop of color right underneath. I think that's going to look gorgeous. Also, I have two clematis, or is it clematis? I guess it depends on where you are. I have two clematis that I got on clearance for $6, and I would like for it to trail up and over the mailbox. Guys, look at the mailbox. It looks brand new. It's beautiful. The black is everything. I'm loving it. Okay, so in the front, I have two Super Tunia Vista Fuchsia that's just been sitting in their containers for like weeks. I cut them back, trimmed them back just a little bit. Don't be scared to trim your petunias or your calabacoas back, super bells. They'll be fine. Just give them water and fertilizer and sun, and they'll be fine. Then we already have some lamb's ear that were already here. I transplanted these earlier spring. Then we have some foxgloves. I love these. These are from Monrovia, and they're like two-tone bicolor. The inside has a little white, and then the outside is pink, purple, lavender. I can't even tell you, the color is just so beautiful, and it looks amazing against the black post. I just love it. This is, I have the tag, Sweet Summer Fantasy Phlox. This is gorgeous. It blooms early summer to mid to late summer, and it gets about 34 inches tall. I just popped in some annuals right here. And back there, they are the sun patients. They can take sun. This area gets sun to part sun. It gets like morning sun and shade in the midday, and then some afternoon sun. So these will get 36 inches tall, 24, 36 inches tall. And this right here is on a slope, so they will be a little bit above the phlox, which will look great. Right here, we have the clematis. It doesn't say what kind of clematis it is. It just says it's a clematis, and it's dare resistant, and it goes up this little trellis that I have right here. And I couldn't get the second one on the other side there because it's concrete, and I couldn't dig down more than 3 inches. So one is enough, and I'm sure it will take up this whole area and do what I expect it to do in like maybe another 2 seasons. And then right here, oh my God, this daylily, Scottish Fantasy daylily. Look at the color. I hope it's showing up well on camera, guys. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is just speaking to my soul. The color, I love the color. It looks yummable. Like I could eat this right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching my videos, interacting with me in the comments. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that subscription button. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.